We just finished decorating and Dominic's about to come in and this is what we live for.
Here comes little man.
Ready? Are we ready for a 5th birthday party?
Yeah!
Are we ready?
Yeah!
Avengers, assemble! Go in. Wait, bud.
The favorite part is the pets.
1, 2, 3.
Oh my gosh! Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Oh my god. Do you love it?
Yes!
You're excited? I love you.
Whoa.
Oh my god.
How cool is that, Dominic?
See it?
Dominic, how cool is
Find
that?
your name. Find your name. Hi, Mom. Oh my god.
Wow.
That is.
I'm
What is this? Dominic's birthday?
How cool is that?
Dude, this is spectacular.
This is a boy's birthday,
Boys'
Dom.
birthday party.
It's all your superhero brothers.
For you and your friends.
And this is where the mad scientist is going to perform.
Right here.
Right here.
Whoa.
How cool, dude.
There's some nuggets in front. Whoa.
You happy,
Love
Dom?
it.
Dom, you happy?
This is the best.
Thank you!
I love you, buddy. Happy 5th birthday, big guy.
Thank you!
Best birthday.
On top of cars. Now I don't know you, you don't know me too.
Oh, it's cool. Yeah, it is. It's cool.
This spark so far. Now I don't know you.
Dry ice is
You
frozen
don't
carbon
know
dioxide.
me too. Stars shone in our eyes like the lights of fireflies. We were obsessed. Felt warmth in our chests. Your heart was
Happy birthday How'd everybody sleep last night? Yeah?
Thank you.
Happy birthday, dear Dominic. Happy, I'm gonna cry.
To you.
A 5-year-old. I love you, babe.
He is old.
to hold your hands when it is cold. So I